Ah, at last, rain. A different atmosphere, nice cool air, spots of rain. Of course, I left all my tools outside, so I better go and get them all back in, including my chipper, which has been sat out there for about a week. No great problem. There's something. Here's my lovely field that I was working in yesterday. The islands full of straw now, ready to mulch down. I need to get my mower going when it's dry and come out and mow this stuff. There's my scythe lying on its side. Yeah, look at that sky. I tell you, that's a relief. Maybe we'll get some greenery in this ground. Maybe some more grass will come up. Maybe all these trees will recover. They've all been looking a bit ill. Anyway, that's for today. Put the tools away, watch the rain go by, see what happens next. Cheers.